Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Professor Jameel and you are watching YouTube channel. Every one of you knows what is the factorial of 1. You say it is 1. And what's the factorial of 2? Everybody knows it's 2. And what is factorial of 4? It means it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That makes 24 and dot dot. But the question is, if you have fractions like 1 over 2, then what is its factorial? This I had already made a video on it. You can check the answer from that video. Now we are interested in finding what is the factorial of negative 1 over 2. In fact, we should be interested in the negative factorials of all fractions or all proper fractions. But for the time being, this time I am going to find the factorial of minus 1 over 2. The answer to this question is provided by gamma function, right? And what is gamma function? You can check my vector 1 on gamma function, and in that vector I have proved that gamma of z plus 1 is equal to z factorial. This has been proved in vector 1. Now we need factorial of minus 1 over 2. That means we need to replace z by minus 1 over 2. The same replacement should be done on the right hand side, and we'll get minus 1 over 2 plus 1. Now minus 1 over 2 factorial on left is equal to gamma of 1 over 2. You can name this as equation number 1. In my video on gamma function, I have also proved that gamma of 1 by 2 is the square root of pi, but we can also prove it using Euler's definite integral form of the gamma function as gamma of any number z is twice the integral of t0 to infinity e to the power minus t into t to the power 2z minus 1. This integral is known as, this is square, this function e to the minus t square, this function is known as Gaussian function. Because of this function, you can call this form of the gamma function as Euler-Gaussian form of the gamma function. So this is the Euler-Gaussian form of gamma function, and therefore if you need gamma of 1 over 2, it will be twice 0 to infinity integration on t and e to the power minus t square. And what is exponent of t? Z 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 1, and 1 minus 1 will give you 0. Now this is a very famous integral which everybody knows, and it's a Gaussian integral, right? T to the power 0 is 1. And answer for the Gaussian integral, this is the Gaussian integral, and its value is twice, this is already present, and its value is square root of pi over 2. Therefore gamma of 1 over 2 is square root of pi, and let's substitute it in equation 1. Here is your equation 1. Minus 1 over 2 factorial is equal to square root of pi. So this is the value of minus 1 over 2 factorial. You can skip these steps starting from the word as up to this one if you are attempting some multiple choice question. If there is a short question, then you should include this so that it makes some substance without any reference, and the solution becomes self-contained for this one. So minus 1 over 2 factorial is equal to square root of pi. This should be interesting for you. Really, this is interesting that you can find factorial for the negative numbers, negative real numbers. In fact, you can also find factorial of the negative complex numbers. And in futures, at some time, I shall try to make video for the gamma function of complex numbers. But for the time being, it's enough. It's minus 1 over 2 factorial equal to square root of pi. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this channel so that such interesting videos comes to you in the first place. Thanks for watching.